morning. I'm Dr. Deuk Major. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who just had the Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic surgery for a herniated disc. Now she had had a fusion, right, many years ago that I did.
Down to the 5.
2005? Oh, down to L5.
2010, I think.
Yeah, so 10 years ago she had a fusion down to L5, and now she has a what's called adjacent segment disease, where the disc next to the fusion was injured, and she had a herniation there and a lot of back pain, right?
Right.
Yeah, and so you chose not to have another fusion, but you chose to have the Deuk laser disc repair instead.
I chose not. You take all the hardware out and go down further.
Yeah.
Too bad.
So are you happy with your decision?
Yes, I am.
When was your surgery?
The first...
No, when was your laser surgery? Yesterday, right.
Yesterday.
So you're sitting here today in the office
Right.
less than a day after your surgery, right?
Wonderful.
You feel good?
To get rid of that pain, I sure am.
So is the back pain still there that you had before?
No, I'm just sore.
Alright, so the pain you had is gone, and you had pain down your legs.
They were going down my legs to the bottom of my feet.
And how about that pain?
I'm not having that pain, but my legs are weak.
Yeah.
It's because I hadn't walked any for about 2 years.
Well, the weakness is from the muscles, and the surgery doesn't fix muscles, it fixes the spine. So the pain down your leg is gone from the pinched nerves, right?
Right.
Cured.
Right.
Yeah, it's cured. So we just got to get your legs stronger.
Right.
So that's why we do therapy. All right. Are you happy that you had the laser surgery done?
Yes, I am. I didn't want to go through that other. I knew what I went through that other.
It's a big surgery.
It was a rough surgery.
Yeah, it's rough.
I spent a week in Pine.
Yeah.
After that.
So what she's referring to is the fusion surgery she had 10 years ago that I did, and she spent a week in rehab afterwards. And she didn't want to have to go through another fusion surgery, and I don't blame her. So the laser surgery is a great alternative. It's a newer surgery. It's only done at Deuk Spine Institute here near Orlando, Florida. And what are you going to do now that your back is better?
I'm going to get walking, what I always done before. I have a new great grandbaby. I hope you let me go and see him when I get here June the 8th.
Of course you can go see him. Of course. That's
I'm
the
not
whole...
going to Kansas, either Alabama or the Panhandle.
All right. Well, that's why we get our backs and necks fixed, is so that we can do things that we want to do, and we don't let the pain limit
I felt
our
like
lives.
my life really had stopped.
Yeah.
At my age, and I thought, hey, my mom lived short of 98, and she was in good condition until she had her heart attack.
Yeah. So you're 80, a little bit over 80 now, and you want to live to 100, right?
No, I don't know about that. Well, it'd be nice, but still,
Yeah.
if...
But you don't want that pain in your back
No.
limiting your life, keeping you from enjoying the rest of your life.
No.
I don't blame you. So...
See, I'd had 2 bad falls, and I think that may have messed in going through that other problem I had with that breakout from that dye. And the last fall I had, I went backwards and fell about this high back on concrete and tile, so porcelain, and that really, I think, did it. But the first fall I had real bad was I fell at Merritt Island. I ran over one of them big long concrete things and it tripped me.
Oh, okay.
And,
all right.
So those 2, I think, messed me up from the...
They messed your back up. All right. Well, we fixed it.
Yeah, you sure do.
Anything you want to say to your family or friends that may be watching you?
I don't know if they are.
Well, we're going to put it on Facebook.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I'm hoping to get to go home to Alabama to see our daughter. I just gave her my 30 acres my mama left me, and she's just built a new home, and I hadn't got to go home in 3 years.
You need to go.
I need to go.
Yeah. Well, you can go. I mean, that's the nice thing about the Deuk laser disc repair, is that you can go tomorrow. I mean, from your back standpoint.
I don't think I'll go this week.
I'm just saying, though, there's no limitations. I mean, if you'd had open back surgery, you'd be most likely...
I know what I went through, Doc, with that.
But you're able to travel, from my standpoint, not a problem. You just can't carry anything over 25 pounds for the first 6 weeks.
All right.
All right?
Will do.
All right. Well, congratulations on getting
Thank
your
you
back
very
fixed.
much.
You're welcome.
You've been really nice to me.
You're welcome.